Make sure that comes back down and then goes. That was rushed through. It's got to come back down. There you go.
Yeah, I was getting pissed off.
But I didn't realize you did tell him.
I was serious. If you didn't answer, I was gonna come up there and just go regulate. I was getting.
You were loud too. It was like
Say don't curveball. Show it. Throw a change up. Show it and go to the stretch and do the same thing for 3 in a row.
He was trying to tell me that.
Don't worry about down there.
Yeah, that's what I.
Just show your arm speed.
the other night, like,
I'm so crazy.
mom's already I was a good man from myself.
Just straight down.
In my closet?
Yeah.
I just in my closet.
Throw a change up. Same thing and get your stretch. You didn't lengthen out your legs there. Go to stretch. On that last change up, remember you cut your feet. It's nasty there, right? Straight down.
Yep.
I was in my living room playing, and no one was watching TV. So I was getting raped for doing it. So like right before I got off,
Is that fastball?
slammed his
Is that fastball? Yeah, you're not giving the change up time. You're trying to do so much with the hand up instead of, you got to get your feet cleared. Both times you change up, you haven't even cleared the tape. Get your feet down. At the end, you need to push through it. Now go. There. Break.